Hello, my name is Serafima Scheffer. I work as a well digitalization manager at Exebenus. In this presentation, I will show you how the Exebenus Pulse digital operation procedures can, with the use of WITSML and sensor data, automatically track and validate operational procedures. This can be used in addition to the manual tracking. I would like to show you the benefits of automatic tracking and how it can assist the rig crew in executing an operating procedure with respect to consistency, repeatability in execution, and benchmarking. If one has to look into drilling and wells operations on a larger scale, it might seem to be very diverse and unique, unless we're talking about batch drilling. But if we look more into the details, it is possible to see that there is a high percent of repetitive operations. Various pressure tests, circulations, setting of specific equipment in its unique manner, and other similar activities shall be repeated over and over again in a similar form with minor variations. The parameters for these activities, such as pressure, volume, and so on, can be diverse as it is dictated by the operation itself. But what needs to be done is consistent. As of now, there are limited tools to ensure repeatability of these activities and adherence to the procedures. Automatic validation of activities allows to achieve and perfectionate these types of operations. Let's look at the example of FIT, Formation Integrity Test, that is performed almost in every well. Exebenus Pulse system is connected to real-time stream and reads the standard surface sensor values, which are available on most of the rig these days from WITSML server. First, the formation is pressurized to 112 bar, which is confirmed by the system by detecting pressure increase to the plant value. Then the pressure should be lowered to 101 bar and hold stable. Each of these activities is automatically validated by green tick. If there were some deviations, a yellow exclamation mark would have been given. The pressure should be maintained for 15 minutes, as this is a standard procedure for this company performing FIT. Acceptance criteria could be configured based on your company's standards. The video is running 100 times the speed, so it is not necessary to wait for all this time. The activity is validated with a yellow mark. What is the reason for that? Well, the actual holding the pressure took was 17 minutes. The yellow mark highlights that there was some time lost in the operation, and there is a place for improvement. This is how invisible lost time could be accounted for in each activity and summed up together to provide savings for the operation. Another important aspect is benchmarking of activities. It is not only time saved on the spot, but comparing similar repetitive activities between each other yield great benefits. Was setting of a packer of one company faster than the other one? Why did it take longer to run liner on one rig than on the other one? Automatic validation of activities accurately stores the time and details of repeated operations, allowing to compare and benchmark them with various wells and providers. It allows to raise questions on the efficiency of your planned operations and their execution, and improve their quality when these questions are investigated and answered. Automatic tracking increases efficiency and quality. It ensures consistent, highest standard in execution, and automation gives you ability to repeat the execution over and over, ensuring that the execution is its highest of proficiency and gets better and better every time. And it also allows you to compare operations and benchmark them.